Welcome to Appysmarts, where we play puzzles to tease your brains. Hello, everyone. Today I am playing Bouncy Merger by Enki-chan. Have fun watching, and don't forget to subscribe. The rules are simple. Drop the cubes so they will bounce around, bump into each other, and create cubes with larger numbers. For example, drop a 2 on another 2 to create a 4. Drop a 4 on another 4 to create an 8, and so on. The bigger the number, the higher the score. My goal is to get on this rank list. Just kidding. But perhaps you are on this list? Let me know in the comments. By the way, I just love to stack those cubes on top of each other and watch them topple over. And one more thing I wanted to ask you about. Does this game make your brain rot, or does it train your brain? Let me know in the comments. Why would they need my name? Probably for the rank list. Watch out of the power-ups bar on the right, and use those power-ups wisely. The first goal is to get to number 64. Instead of dropping the cubes gently, you can try to slam them really hard. It is much more fun and much more effective. Hooray! It is 128 already, but still some time to go. Perhaps to 4,096? Let's use those power-up goodies again. In the meantime, please click the subscribe button and the like button if you like this video. And don't forget to share your best scores in the comments. Another power-up. But to be honest, I don't know how it works. Perhaps you know? My next goal is 1024. That was quick. Next number? How about 1024 times 2? Superb indeed. How about getting to 4096? Don't forget to write your best scores in the comments. I am so sorry. I know it is taking a bit too long. Let's speed things up a little bit. Another power-up. This one is my favorite, but it did not work too well this time. Time to check my score against the others. Nothing spectacular. What are your scores? Let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.